the third, ito, pupunta sa pocket mo. 1, 2, 3, pocket. 1, 2, 3, drop. Drop mix. 2, 3. Cross muna tayo. 1, 2, 3, pocket. Tapos place mo to. Pagka-place mo, tapos grab, kabilang side naman. 1, 2, 3. Cross, grab. Cross, grab. Big side mo yan, no? Hold mo lang to, ha. Ang gagawin ko, kapag nagpa-pound ka, ilahin ko to. Ilahin mo din. Pag pinipush ko, push mo. Lila. Go. Step in, through. Ito ang tawag dito, step in. O kapag ini-step mo pa forward, tawag doon, step in. Tapos yung dadagdag natin, through. Replacement, then cross. Cross. Grab, step through. Ulit. Through. Yan. Grab, step in through. Grab. Through. Put replacement. Good job. 1, 2, 3, no extra pound. Second drop, 3, 4, 9, 10. Tama, huwag ka masyado malipit. Go, tuloy-tuloy lang. 3. Time. Step. Kuha mo na ito, kuha. Inside, outside, then tira. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Yan, start na agad. Bang, step. Iba. Takbo. Last one. Last one. Hey. Okay. First step, second step, finish.